Hello, good morning students. Now we have start chapter 5 fractions. Look at this concepts in modules. First topic introductions, second fractions, third is types of fractions, and next is simplest form of a fraction, and next comparing fractions, next addition and subtraction of fractions, and last summary. Okay student, look at this. First is introduction. Show the picture. Look at this. Show the picture. Look at this. Let's eat them. Okay. Look at this. One apple. Both of them get a part of mango. This is equal to parts. Okay student. Look at this. Now we need a special type of number that represents parts of a whole object. This number is called a fractions. Okay student, look at this. Show the diagram. This is mango. Fraction is 1 upon 2. Read as half. Okay. Look at this. Introductions of a fractions. Okay. Look at this. Whole part, half part, and 1 upon third part. Look at this. Fraction is a number that represents a part of whole. Okay student. Show the diagram. 1 upon 5 part, 2 by 7 part, and 1 upon 2 part. Look at this. Show the diagram. Okay. 1 upon 5, 2 upon 7, and 1 by 2. Okay student. Look at this next diagram. Write down the fractions represented by the red blocks in each. Look at this. This is 4 blocks and 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Look at this. 8 upon 16. Look at this. Okay. 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and 8 upon 16. 6 upon 8. Fraction is 6 by 8. Look at this. Red blocks 6 upon total number of boxes 8. 6 by 8. Number of red boxes 5 upon 8. Look at this. Okay student. 6 by 8 and 5 by 8. This is fraction. Look at this. Show the picture. Look at this. Okay. Each parts are equal. Total parts is 8, and 1 part is eaten 1 upon 8 part. Okay. Look at this. 1 upon 6. Total parts is 6. 1 by 6 part. 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 6. This is fraction. Numerator is same. Okay. Look at this. Show the diagram. This is 3 part 8 and number of total part 8. 3 by 8 and 5 by 6. one whole and one whole. Look at this.
Let's perform an activity.
Show the activity.
This is
Look at this.
Can you cut the cake into 8 equal pieces by making only 3
Okay.
cuts on it? Remember, you are allowed to make only 3 cuts on it.
Look at this.
One girl has got it. Let us see how we can do
Look
it.
at this.
We cut it into quarters.
4 part is
We make
divided.
quarters. Then we
Okay.
slice it through the center.
Look at this.
This is the third cut. Now, the cake gets divided into 8 equal parts.
8 equal parts divided into cake.
You can see each part is 1/8 of the
Okay.
cake.
Now, next is fraction. Fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. Okay, student, look at this. For example, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 7, 6 upon 5, etc. Look at this. Observe the fractions. 3 upon 8. Let us observe the division of a rectangle in different ways. Look at this, show the diagram. We observe that the rectangle is being divided into 4 equal parts in different ways. Show the diagram. So, each equal part can be represented by 1 by 4. Look at this, 1 upon 4 part. How to represent part of a figure in terms of fraction? Okay, student. A fraction for shaded portion of a finger is written as number of shaded parts upon total number of equal parts. Okay, student. Look at this. For example, consider a figure having 9 equal blocks. Look at this. Show the diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And blue boxes, number of blue boxes 2. Fraction of green part is equal to number of green parts upon total number of parts. Number of green parts 7 and total number of parts 9. So fraction is 7 upon 9. And fraction for blue part is equal to number of blue parts upon total number of parts is equal to number of blue parts 2 and total number of parts is equal to 9. So fraction is 2 upon 9. Okay, student, look here. Can you find the fraction representing the shaded portion of the given figure? Okay, look at this. Look at this. Test your knowledge. Find the fraction representing the total shaded part of the given figure. Look at this. Total parts 8 and shaded part 4. Click to now the correct answer is A, 4 upon 8. Shaded part, number of shaded part 4 and number of total parts 8. Okay. How to represent fraction using a figure? Let us represent following fraction using a figure. Look at this, 3 upon 8. Show the diagram. Divide one whole into 8 equal parts as the denominator is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. Look at this. And 3 parts is different color. So fraction is 3 by 8. 3 parts is numerator and 8 equal parts is denominator. Okay student. Now for example, color part according to the given fraction 9 upon 12 and 9 upon 14 and 8 upon 8. Look at this, show the diagram. Number of boxes 12, number of boxes 14 and number of boxes 8. Okay. Now next example, does the fraction 3 by 4 represent the shaded portion of the following figure? Look at this. Does the fraction 4 upon 7 represent the red portion in the following figure? Total number of part 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and number of different color part 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 upon 7. Show the diagram. Look at this. Now next example, Rachel had 3 pencils. She sharpened one of them. Represent the sharpened pencil as a fraction. Total number of pencils 3 and sharp pencil is 1. So fraction is 1 upon 3. Now next example, what fraction of an hour is 50 minutes? Look at this, show the diagram. Fraction on a number line. Look at this. We all know how to represent whole numbers on a number line. Show the diagram. Look at this. Draw a number line. One number each, 1 unit, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Look at this. Let us show 1 upon 2 on the number line. 1 upon 2 on the number line. 0 and 1. Mid number is 1 by 2. Look at this. Show 1 upon 3 on the number line. Next example, draw the number line. Look here. First number 0 and next number 1. 1 upon 3rd on the number line. Divide the gap between 0 and 1 into 3 equal parts. 1, 2 and 3. As the denominator is 3. Okay. Show the diagram. Types of fraction. First is proper fraction. A pizza is equally divided between 2 children. Look at this. Equal 2 parts. Now observe the following fractions: 3 by 4, 0 upon 6, 4 upon 12, 12 upon 15 and 1 by 2 and so on. Okay. Next topic, improper and mixed fraction. Let us divide an apple into 2 equal parts. Look at this. 3 such parts are equivalent to an apple and a half apple. 3 multiplied and half. Number of apples 1, 2 and 3 and half. 3 upon 2 is equal to 1 and half. Okay. 3 by 2 is greater than 1. Okay. Look at this. Observe the following fractions: 7 upon 4, 6 by 6, 29 upon 12, 34 upon 15 and 6 upon 2 and so on. Okay student, look at this. Show the board. Okay. Observe the following fractions: 1, 3 upon 4, 5, 4 upon 15, 6 1.6, 1.2 and so on. This is mixed fraction. Okay student. Now next, conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. Next topic, divide the numerator by the denominator and get the quotient and the remainder. Formula is, this is denominator, this is quotient and this is numerator, and last is remainder. Improper fraction is written as mixed fraction as shown. Quotient remainder upon divisor. This is denominator. Look at this. This is mixed fraction formula. Okay. Now first example is express 17 upon 3 as a mixed fraction. Okay student, look at this. 17 upon 3 as a mixed fraction. Look at this. Alternate method, 17 upon 3 is equal to 15 plus 2 upon 3. 15 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. 2 part is divided 17 upon 3. So LCM is 3. 3 5 ja 15 plus 2 by 3. Okay. So mixed fraction is 5 2 by 3. Look here. Next example, express 23 upon 5 as a mixed fraction. Okay student, look at this. This is quotient, this is numerator, remainder. Okay. 5 4 ja 20, remainder is 3. So the mixed fraction is 4 3 upon 5. Look at this, 4 3 by 5. This is mixed fraction. Okay student, write down the question.